Okay, so I will go through review the textbook a while. Okay, we go to textbook. Okay, I got to share screen. Okay, can see the textbook? Someone respond? On the mic, on the mic.
Can, teacher.
Okay. So
Can.
actually this one I have put inside our Microsoft Teams inside the material, the file and the material, I think so. Okay, so I go through review quickly. Okay, I want to draw your attention here. Okay, when under this page, formula. Okay, this QR code. This QR code. Okay, so you can scan or you can type this at your laptop, at your search machine. Then this one will give you the full solution. Same like your Form 4 textbook. This one will give you full solutions. Where's my pen? Okay, so this one, remember is under this formula. This QR code, you can give you the full solution of any questions in your textbook. Okay, then we go down. Okay, so today we will start circular measure. Okay, before we start the chapter, I want you to recall back. Okay, this one. So you can see the screen, right? Someone?
Yes.
Okay, can see the
Yes.
this part of recall?
Yeah.
Okay, so now, okay, we go through one by one. Okay, arc, ARC, arc. So the smaller one, we have a minor arc. Means, okay, if I draw on it, from here to here, this is the arc. The smaller one we call minor arc. Then this side, the bigger one, from here to here. This one we call it major arc. Okay. Yeah, can erase. Okay, come back here. Okay, next, sector. Remember, sector is a shape of like a piece of pizza. This one. Okay, it's surrounded by two radii, which is the radius. The plural of a radius we call radii. Okay, so this piece of a pizza, the smaller piece we call minor sector. Okay, then the bigger piece, the balance, the bigger pieces. Okay, this whole piece, this whole piece we call it major sector. Okay, erase order one. Okay, so now arc with sector, sector with sector. Okay, chord is this. Chord is this line. Okay, you just choose any 2 points that on the circumference, join them up. Okay, that this line we call it chord. Okay, then the area bounded by this chord and the circumference, this one we call it segment. Okay, so arc and the chord is the line. Okay, Then sector and the segment refer to the area. Okay, so far any questions?
No question, teacher.
Okay, no questions. Very good. Okay, so now if you want to know more, okay, there is a file here. Okay, how do I get this file? It's from here. Okay, your textbook. Underneath of this, okay, I type this and then I get this file. Recognize a circle. Okay, so we go through quickly. Okay, this is a circle. What's the meaning of diameter? Okay, the 2 points on the circumference will join, okay, and then must pass through the center of the circle. It's a diameter. Okay, chord, just now we have already chord. Okay, and the radius is half of the diameter. Okay, then this is arc. Okay, then tangent. Okay, this is tangent. The BC is tangent. Tangent will only touch a point, one point only on the circumference. Okay. Then this one again repeat tangent, chord, radius, and diameter. Okay. This one minor arc, major arc. Okay, minor segment, major segment. Okay, minor arc, major arc, and then minor sector, major sector. Okay, very clear. Okay, done. Okay, if got no questions, now I ask you questions. Okay, get ready. You don't have to copy yet, Okay, after I will tell you what to copy. Okay, now I want to test you because you got no question to ask me. Okay, so now you answer the questions. Okay, so 1A. So, wait, where's your name list? Okay, Aksa here. I have to come back here. I'm not sure whether Aksa is here. This is a follow alphabetical order. Okay, obviously Aksa is not here. So next one will be Bhairavi. Okay, come Bhairavi. What
Yes,
is
teacher. Chord.
God? Okay, so wait. I think this one I can write also. Draw. Okay. So draw. Okay, chord. Your answer is chord? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, 1B. Okay, Catherine.
Yeah, teacher.
1B is what? This one maybe just now is not, I think got mentioned, you know, 1B.
Circumference.
Yeah, very good, circumference. Okay, now we go to 1C. Let me see. Chong don't want, Hey, Chong, you drop or not? Chong? Hello, Chong? Ơi?
Yes.
Chong,
Hello.
you didn't give the letter yet, is it?
I give already.
You give already, You didn't tell me?
Because Cik Atika haven't sent that one Goji approve it.
Oh.
I gave last Friday.
Why check? Oh, you only sent last Friday, is it? Okay, okay. So never mind lah. You no need answer lah, Okay, next is Dashna. Okay, Dashna, I go back to the screen.
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
C, 1C.
Diameter.
Very good. Diameter. Where's diameter? Okay, wait. Diameter. Eh. Okay, next. 1D. Farah. Is Farah here? Farah. Hello, Farah. 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 Okay, don't know what happened to Farah. Okay, now Hema. Hema. I'm not sure whether they got no mic or they go to toilet or No response. Okay, Janelle. Janelle can on the mic.
Yes, teacher.
Yo, go and drink water, Janelle, after this, huh?
Okay.
Janelle, come answer for 1D.
B or D?
What is 1D? D,
Oh.
donkey, 1D.
Segment.
D or 1D or
Oh.
number one. We are still in number one.
Radius.
This one, yes, radius. Okay, so this is radius. Okay, now we come to number 2A. Okay, get ready. Who is the next one? Okay, critical. 2A.
Yes.
A is this area, the bigger one.
Quadrant.
Quadrant. Quadrant means
No.
one quarter.
Major sector.
Major what?
Sector.
Sector. Sector is a piece of pizza. Come on. Ơi. Huh?
Wait.
Not
Major
sector.
segment.
Yes, this is major segment. Okay, major segment. Okay, now we come to B. B referring to the line. Okay, the bigger one. So the next girl is Shuping. Can you answer for 2B? This one?
Major arc.
Okay, major arc. Where is major arc? Okay, major arc here. Okay, next. Okay, C referring to the line. Okay, this line, but the smaller one. Okay, next girl will be Lydia.
Minor arc.
Minor arc, very good. Okay, D. Okay, the smaller pieces, this area. Okay, next girl will be Megasri.
Segment.
Cannot hear you.
Segment.
Segment, yeah, it's segment, but more accurately, smaller pieces. Huh? Megasri, yeah.
Semicircle.
Semicircle?
No, it's segment.
Yeah, it's segment,
Minor
but
segment.
yeah, minor segment because the smaller pieces is minor segment. Okay, now we go to number 3. Okay, 3A. This is shape of a piece of pizza, a smaller piece. Okay, next girl will be Shifa. Shifa here. Hello,
Yes,
Shifa.
teacher.
Shifa here. Okay, come, we go back here. Can you answer 3A? What is 3A? It's a piece of pizza, but a smaller one. Shifa?
Yes.
Sorry, cannot hear you.
Sector.
Yeah, it's a sector, but smaller piece, we call it.
Minor sector.
Very good, minor sector. Minor sector. Okay, next girl. After Shifa is Shahira. Shahira, yeah. Okay, very good. Shahira, come. What is 3B? Cannot hear you.
Major sector.
Okay, major sector, very good. Major sector. Okay, now we go to number 4. Okay, we left 2 only. One is semicircle, one is quadrant. Okay. The next girl will be Wei Zian. Wei Zian. On your mic, Wei Zian.
Quadrant.
Okay, Wei Zian. Okay, 4A. What's answer?
Quadrant.
Okay, quadrant. Okay, therefore, the last one, 4B, will be semicircle, means half of the circle. Quadrant is quarter of the circle. Okay, so all the parts you know already. Okay, afterwards, this piece of paper, I will send into the Microsoft Teams. So, you copy, okay, and then write the answer, okay, inside your notebooks. Okay, inside your MX1. Okay, so now that's all for this recall. Okay, we come back to the textbook. Okay, one thing I want to mention about this chapter, okay, you can see a few formula in this chapter, but please bear in mind, none of the formula will be given in the formula list, okay, for this chapter. Okay, I repeat, none. Okay, none of it, okay, of the formula from this chapter will be given in the formula list. So I don't know, you have to memorize or you want to derive by yourself every time you do the questions, up to you. But my suggestion is memorize it. Okay, if you want to derive, take times. So you got to memorize it. Okay, so whatever you have the formula, like example, maybe today I can teach you 1, 2 formula, then quickly memorize it. Okay, don't wait until last minute want to go exam, only want to memorize the formula. Okay, so we start to go up beginning of the chapters. Okay, let us see radian. Okay, but before we start radian, okay, you know angle. Okay, example, let's say this angle is 30 degree. Okay, the degree is a unit for us to measure the angle. Okay, so last time we have learned, you know, how many degrees, all this. The degree is the unit for us to measure an angle. So now you come to upper form, okay, and maths, you've learned another unit, okay. You learn another unit for angle, which is called radian. Okay, radian. Okay, wait. Okay, radian. So radian and degree, you have 2 units now, okay, for you to measure the angles. Okay, so don't get mistake radian and radius. Always a student will get mistake in these two. Radius is half of the diameter, but radian, okay, is the unit for an angle. Okay, short form of the radian. Okay, scroll down a bit. Okay, short form of the radian, you may write this. RAD, this one. Okay, then you see, okay, one radian can be written as 1 and then superscript R or 1 superscript C. But this one seldom we use. This one seldom we use. We always use this RAD. Okay, so if you don't want to write full in for the unit for radian, RADIAN, then you can write RAD is enough. Okay, so far clear? Hello, are you still there?
Clear, teacher.
You know why I have to keep on asking your response is because I'm not in school. Okay, I'm using the school Wi-Fi. Like that day, I have class with another class for Arif. You know halfway, I don't know go where already. I like disappear, you know. So I have to keep on asking you are there or not, are here or not. Okay, if happen that suddenly you all cannot hear me or what, I suddenly disappear, someone got to call me maybe, because when I teach, I don't see the chat. Okay, I don't oh, again, bad network quality. I don't know whether you still can hear me.
Yes, can hear.
Okay, very good. Okay, now we go back to this one. Okay, I want to show you this one. Actually, it's from your textbook activity as well. Okay, give me some time. can see a diagram with a circle come out?
Can
Yes,
see.
teacher.
Yes, okay. Okay, now. Okay, you look at this, Okay, this is the angle subtended. Okay, we call it angle subtended. Okay, then this is an arc length. Okay, this is an arc length. Okay, this one is arc length. Okay, then this is radius, and this is also radius. Okay, now why I open this is because we want to study what is the relation in between radian and degree. Okay, today. Okay, do you miss the school bell? Very nice, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this one tell us I already run out of one periods. I still have one more periods to go. Okay, so today we want to learn what is the relation in between the radian and the degree. Okay, by using this arc length. Okay, so okay, first of all, I adjust the radius. I don't want 3.7. Easy lah, whole number. Okay, after that, okay, you see here, this one, S is stand for the arc length. Okay, okay, I'm going to adjust this, which is the angle. Okay, the A stand for this angle. Okay, but the measure is the unit is in radian. So I'm going to adjust it. Okay, see. Okay, you can drag. Okay, so I'm going to adjust it until you see 1. Okay, what happened to the arc length? What happened to the arc length if I adjust the A, which is the angle here, okay, in radian as 1, what happened to the arc length? I can
Become 4.
You say something? Okay, okay, never mind. Maybe I call Ravanya. I'm not sure whether she got mic. Ravanya. Ravanya. Okay, maybe she got no mic. Okay, for those got no mic, you got to really, type very fast in the chat. Okay, how about Rosanna? Rosanna here? No response also. Okay, how about Sarah?
Teacher.
Yeah,
They all messaging. They all don't want to talk.
they don't want to talk, mean they put in chat.
Yeah, they put in chat.
Oh, okay. Okay, Ravanya, that is a problem. If you put in chat, I don't mind. Okay. Come, Ravanya. You see this. I repeat my question. Just now you see or not, I can drag. Okay, I can drag big or small the angle. Okay, now I drag until my angle. Okay, my question is, what happened with the spin? Huh? Lag Uh-oh. Then how? How? Can hear me? Or
Okay, now okay.
someone just respond. Okay, we don't wait for her. Someone just respond. Maybe Dashna, you help me. Okay, can you answer my questions? You look at this. My question is, just now I drag. Okay, the angle now become 1 radian. So what happened to the arc length?
Teacher, you increase or reduce the angle?
I just drag until I get 1 here. I want this, the angle is 1 radian. I want to see what happened to the arc length.
Increase.
Increase, yeah. You can see here exactly what is the number here.
Teacher.
Dashna?
Yes, teacher.
What's the number here?
4.
Yeah, this 4, is it same as something?
Yeah, the J.
Same as what?
Radius.
Yeah.
Radius.
Yes, same as radius. I don't know who answered that. Sorry, never mind lah. Same as radius. Okay, when the angle is 1 radian, you will see the arc length is same as radius. Okay, we want to continue to test. Now I drag the angle become 2 radian. Okay, 2, very good. Can you see the arc length? What happened to the arc length?
Double the radius.
Increase.
Don't say increase, someone say double. Double of what?
Radius.
Yeah, double of radius. When this one is 2, you will see the arc length become double. Okay, also 2 times the radius. Now, want to continue? Drag until become 3. Okay, now this angle is 3 radian. What happened to the arc length? Someone?
Triple.
Yes, triple or 3 times of the radius. Okay, so if I drag until this one become the semicircle, bigger a bit, bigger, over already. Because I know the answer, so let me control the figures. Okay, can you see? Now I get a semicircle. Okay, then how big is my angle here? 3.142 radian. 3.142. This number familiar or not? What number is this?
Pi.
Yes, very good.
Pi.
Yeah, very good, pi. When this angle is pi radian, I will get a semicircle. Okay, from here you can make a conclusion saying that pi radian is equal to how many degrees? Half of the circle is how many degrees?
118.
Very good. Okay, this is what I want to show you. Okay, so we come back to the textbook. Where's the textbook? Okay, so here. Okay. One thing I want to show you is this. Okay, I put a tick here. Okay, means this one afterwards you're going to copy in your notebooks. Just now I show you already. Pi radian is same as 180 degree. Okay, this is one thing. Second thing, okay, what is the meaning of 1 radian? Okay, this one you're going to draw it. Okay, what's the meaning of 1 radian? When the arc length, okay, is equal to the radius, this angle we call it 1 radian. Okay, I hope it's clear. Okay, so now we want to see how we do the conversion in between radian and the degree. Okay. Okay, we look at example 1. Okay, all these example don't have to copy. No need copy. Okay, but you have to get ready your calculator now. We do it together. Okay, do you have your calculator ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so first we want to convert radian into degree. Okay, radian into degree. Okay, when you start with radian, okay, you see the relation in between radian and degree is pi. Okay, radian is 180 degree. Too thick lah. Wait very thick. Don't want so thick. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so when you want to change from radian to degree, you see your original is radian. So you got to times, okay? It's either pi radian over 180 degree, if not 180 degree over pi radian. Because these two are the same. When you cut means actually you do nothing. Okay, so if here is radian, okay, so here must be radian and here must be degree. Therefore, this one will be 180 and this one will be pi. Okay, if after second example, you want to convert degree to radian. Okay, so your question is in degree. So you got to times, okay, same thing. It's either 180 degree over pi radian, if not pi radian over 180 degree. Okay, so you see here degree up, here is degree, here must be down is degree, 180. Okay, and then here will be pi radian. I don't know whether you understand me. Yeah, someone on the mic. Make sure I'm still here, you are still there.
Understand.
Okay, can okay, very good. Okay, so now you see, I don't want you to memorize, it's 180 degree over pi radian or pi radian over 180 degree. I want you to know why. Okay, it's because you see here, if you cut the unit radian, then your unit left is degree. Therefore, this radian will convert into degree. If you understand really easier, you just have to remember 180 degree is pi radian. Okay, so now you look at this. Okay, this is radian. Therefore, I'm going to use this times 180 degree over pi radian times 180 degree over pi radian. Okay, the original question is 2 over 5 pi. So you can cut the pi. Okay, just press calculator. 2 over 5 times 180. Then you get 72 degree is your answer. Okay, second questions. 2.25 radian. Okay, same thing, times 180 degree over pi. Okay, given this, use pi as 3.142. Okay, therefore you must use 3.142 as your pi. You cannot straight away press the pi from the calculator. Okay, so you just press 2.25 times 180 divided by 3.142, you will get this answer. I don't know whether you get this answer or you get the answer in point. I wait for you, you test.
Teacher, I get the answer in point.
Okay, what is your answer?
128.89.
Point
89.
9. Okay, you don't erase your answer. Okay, at your answer, you just press, there is one button with the degree sign and 3 comma. So we press that. See whether you get the 128 and then 54.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay, must press. Can get.
Okay, for this question, I will accept this answer, also this answer. Okay, but if the question mentioned that you got to state your answer in degree and minutes. Then you must give this answer. You cannot give this answer. This one cannot. You must give this answer. If the question mentioned, you have to state your answer in degree and minute. Okay? Now I want to go to second example. Okay, you don't worry, all that afterwards I will snap photo and send to you if you still want to refer it. If not, actually, you remember always I will record down my teaching. So after you can play again. Okay, so now we come to the second example. Okay, look at this. Okay, part A. Okay, convert 40 degrees 150 into radian in terms of pi. See here. This one in terms of pi means your pi you don't substitute with other things. You don't substitute with number. You don't substitute with 3.142. Don't substitute with 22/7. Don't substitute from the pi from the calculator. Do nothing on the pi. Just leave it. This one we call it in terms of pi. Okay, first of all, degree. Okay, want to change to radian. So we key up. So here degree must be down and then radian up. So pi is here and then 180 is here. So this will change you to radian. Okay, so you got to times pi over 180. See? Times pi over 180. Okay, so they want in terms of pi. So the pi do nothing. You see, I write back the pi. You just use a calculator, 40 divided by 180. Check and see, you get 209.
Yes.
I think this one is infinite decimal. Infinite decimal, if possible, give in fraction, then give in fraction your answer. Okay, same like this. You see, the pi, I leave it. I do nothing. When press calculator, don't press anything for the pi. Okay, I just do 150 over 180. Then I get 5/6. I hope I'm not too fast. Okay, yeah, I'm too fast. Someone had to stop me. Okay, now we go to B. Okay, now B, you see, this one, they give you pi. Means you got to substitute the pi as 3.142. Don't leave it in pi form. Okay, this one, okay, how to press calculator for this? You got to press 110 and then that button, you know, the comma button, and then 30 and then again the button, comma. Okay, and then only times 3.142 divided by 180. Everyone try now. I cannot get I make mistake where 110 and then 30 times 3.142 divided by 180. Press again. Okay, after that you get your answer. Okay, you press again. You press again the button, the comma button, you will get this answer. Okay, not? Someone please answer. Yes.
Yes,
Teacher
teacher.
getting.
Yeah. Okay. Before you press this
Yeah.
button, the answer is still in degree and minutes. So you got to press this button to get back in decimal. Okay. Okay. So 320. I think this one is easier. You just press 3 times 3.142 divided by 180. You will straight away get this answer. Okay. And then we see on the right. Okay. This one we call it spatial angle. Okay. This one you can know. Okay, if you want to, okay, this is some spatial angle. Okay, why you have this? You see this. Pi is 180 degree. This is what we just learned. Pi as 180 degree. So pi divided by 2 means 180 divided by 2. Therefore, you get pi over 2 as 90 degree. And then the rest, the same thing. Okay, so I don't want to expand more on this. Okay, I still have 10 more minutes. Okay, I go down a little bit. Go down a little bit. Okay, arc length. Okay, we look at arc length. Okay, you look at this diagram. Okay, now we want to find arc length by using a formula. Okay, you look at this diagram. Okay, daily life problem. You see, maybe the question they will ask you, what is the distance traveled for this girl from here to here? Let's say I label here point A. From point A to point B, what is the distance traveled by the girl from point A to point B? They didn't tell you what you have to find, But you see, actually, if you complete it, this is a circle. And then this is the center of the circle. What you see? What you can see?
Minor arc.
Yeah, a minor arc. AB actually is a minor arc. But in the question, they will not tell you this is a circle, and then this is a center, and actually 2.5 is a radius, and AB actually you want to find the arc length. They will not tell you. This one is a drawing problem lah. Okay, so this one actually you have learned during lower form. Okay, you remember, first of all, you need to know this angle. Let's say I label as a theta. Okay, then you have to find the circumference. Anyone can tell me what is the formula for circumference?
2 pi r.
Very good, 2 pi r circumference. After that, you got to times, okay, something, divide by 360 degrees. Okay, 360 degrees is the whole thing. And then I want this small part, right? So I just put in the angle here. This is how you find the arc length. I don't know when you learn this. Someone can tell when you learn
From
this?
2.
From 2
From 3.
From 2, from 3? Not sure, from 2 or
I
from 3?
think from 3, but not sure.
Okay, so now, okay, for from 4, from 5, okay, and maths, the 360 degree, as I said just now, change into radian is what? Someone can tell? 180 degree is pi radian. 360 degree is what? Eh?
2 pi.
2 pi.
Teacher,
Okay,
I don't understand your question.
Okay, I repeat. Just now, we know that 180 degrees is pi radian, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, now
So
360
360
degree,
degree, 2 pi radian.
Okay, very good. Okay, now I change the 360 degree become 2 pi radian. Okay, now you see what happened? The 2 pi, I can cut. So now, my questions, my formula become r theta. Okay, I label it as S. S stands for arc length equals to r theta. R is the radius of the circle. Theta is the angle subtended here. We look at this angle subtended here. Okay, this one, the theta mass, the unit mass in radian. Okay, if the question give you the unit in degree, first step, change the angle in radian. Only substitute inside here to get the arc length. Okay, let us see the example. Okay, look at this. Okay, find the arc length S for each of the following sector P, O, Q with center O. Okay, P, O, Q with center O. They want the arc length. Okay, so they want here. Okay, this one, they want this. Okay, so you follow the formula. R theta. R is what? Radius, which is 5. Theta is what? Okay, the angle subtended, which is 0.9. Make sure this is in radian. Okay, if this is in radian, straight away use it. So 5 times 0.9, you see, very fast. Okay, you get the answer 4.5. Okay, so this is for A. So far, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, someone say? Okay, ah?
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Okay, now we look at B. Okay, B, the same thing. Okay, I have the radius 6, so 6. Okay, then the angle radian, in radian 2/3 pi. Same thing, you see, pi as 3.142. So times 2/3 pi. Okay, remember to replace the pi as 3.142. Then you find the answer. Okay, look at C. Okay, C, please be careful. The arc length is here. The arc length is here. So the angle subtended is here, not this one. Okay, so how to get this angle? How to get this angle?
180 minus 140. 360 minus 140.
Okay, 360 minus 140, you see here. Okay, after that, convert into radian because this is in degree. So convert into radian times pi over 180. Remember, use your pi as 3.142. Okay, so after the conversions, wait, okay, after the conversion, you get 3.84 in radian. Okay, now only you can substitute the 3.84 as your theta. Okay, radius is 10, then you get the answer. Okay, I still have 3 more minutes. Okay, I go through one more example. This is example 4. Okay, come. The diagram on the right show a part of a circle with center O and a radius R. Now, R you don't know. The radius you don't know. But you know, you just apply the formula S equal to R theta. Okay, given that the angle AOB is 1.3 radian, which is this one, okay, and the arc length AB and BC is 2.6. This is 2.6. This is 1.4, respectively. Calculate the value of R. Okay, so first of all, S equal to R theta. I want to find R. So the theta come to this side. This one times come to this side become divide. So R is equal to S divided by theta. Okay, so S is what? I don't use this S because I don't have the theta here. I got to use this pair with this. Okay, this S pair with this theta. So 2.6 divided by 1.3. Therefore, I know the R is 2. Okay, I know the R is 2. Okay, part B. Find the angle BOC in radian. Okay, BOC. They want this angle. Okay, this one as your theta. Okay, because for part A, I know the radian is 2 already, so I'm able to continue. If you get a wrong answer in part A, then your B also will be wrong. Okay, same formula I'm going to use. S equal to R theta. Now I want to find theta. So the R I throw to this side. This is times become divide. So it's S divided by R. Okay, will be my theta. So S here is what? Arc length 1.4. Okay, divide by the radius. Radius is 2. The one I get from the part A. Then I get 0.7 radian is the answer. Okay, the theta is 0.7 radian. Okay, I think that's all for today. I think you got the next class to attend. So the homework will be, homework. Okay, homework. Self exercise. They don't call self practice already. Self exercise 1.1. Okay, formative exercise 1.1. Okay, and then self exercise 1.2. Okay, you want to draw the diagram or you want to draw the diagram is up to you. Okay, before you do the exercise, okay, whatever you want to write for your notes, you please go ahead. So I don't give you much, okay, but you know, whatever I teach, I highlight that one you should write as your note. Okay, so
Teacher,
before that, remember your recall the exercise. Okay, you have to copy that. Okay, don't worry, I will send again in the teams. Okay, the sequence how you do. Okay, is that okay? Any more questions?
teacher, can you please repeat the homework?
The homework I write here is
Okay. Okay, thank you, teacher.
okay, and